Hello and welcome in this new video tutorial brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In today's video, we'll discuss one of the most challenging tasks in the field of photo editing and manipulation, which is changing the lighting of the image. And to be honest, with all the tools and softwares that was available before the invention of AI technology, changing the lighting of an image was always a difficult task to do, if not impossible. But today, in this video, I'll show you a fantastic AI solution that will allow you to easily change the lighting of any photo and with only a few clicks. First of all, you need to go to your browser and type switchlight.beeble.ai. And then once you are on the website, you'll find three main AI tools to choose from. The first tool on the left is Relight, and it can be used to copy the lighting from any photo and then apply that lighting on another photo. And the second tool is HDRI Relight, which can be used to change the lighting of your images using HDRI panorama images that contains surrounding lighting environment. And in today's video, we will only explain the first two tools and we will keep the third tool on the right because it's designed for more advanced 3D software users. So let's go ahead and discover Relight. Once we click on Relight, this is the first screen that will show up, and all we have to do is click on this main yellow icon to import a photo. So let's select this portrait here and click on Open. Before we continue, I want to let you know that there are two main plans on this website, and with the free plan you can only get a final output resolution of 1024 by 1024 pixels, and even if you pay for the Pro plan, this AI project will still not allow you to get more than 2048 pixels as a maximum image dimension. So in this tutorial, we will only use the free plan to test the tool. And now let's click on this button here. Now on this window, we'll find a great number of Relight pre-made templates in different categories that we can use to change the lighting of our portrait. So let's, for example, switch to the Studio Light category. And for example, let's select this Studio Blue Backdrop Lighting preset. Once we choose a lighting preset, the AI tool will automatically process the image and show you a live preview of the result. Wow! As you can see, this is more than fantastic. Now, if you are still not satisfied with the initial lighting, then you can simply click and drag over the image to change the lighting position as shown. At any time, you can click the source button here to compare the original lighting and the applied lighting. Here on the right side, if we expand the background drop-down menu, we can adjust the background brightness. And here, under foreground, we can adjust the brightness of the subject. We can also use the blending parameter to decide how much the photo is affected by the applied lighting. Also, we can add some sharpness using the sharpness parameter. Now let's go back to the main website page again to test another lighting preset. And in this time, let's for example choose this blue red room lighting preset and check the results. Good, it looks really cinematic. Now let's go back again and select another photo and test it with another lighting preset. Let's, for example, choose this cyberpunk lighting preset. Good. Now let's try the HDRI Relight tool. Now the difference between the Copylight tool and the HDRI Relight tool is that HDRI Relight contains more natural and wider panorama 360 degrees lighting presets. So let's select one of the available presets to show you the difference. Also, as you can see, the HDRI lighting presets contain 360 degrees backgrounds that can be moved around and rotated and used to replace the background of our image. Now, if we expand the background drop-down menu, we will also find the blur parameter that can be used to create or mimic a real depth of field. At any time, we can use this parameter here to adjust the lighting intensity. Now, let's apply a sunlight preset to show you how it looks like. Finally, once you're happy with any lighting preset, you can simply click the download button here to download the composite. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.